Hi everyone, my name is Nico and this is BenzGPT, my submission for the Google Chrome built-in AI challenge. So LLMs are known for their most boring use case, chatbots. But beyond that, LLMs can do so much more. With prompt engineering, we can tweak each interaction exactly the way we want it, and we can even achieve things like function calling, where the LLM decides if it is time to trigger a certain function. Unfortunately, the prompt API is not yet ready to do classic function calling. But that got me thinking. Can we achieve function calling with only a very structured way of prompt engineering? Turns out we can. Now, with BenzGPT, I wanted to create a car that I can actually talk to. So let's head over to benz.nico.dev. So at the core, I am using the web speech API and also the speech synthesis API. So once it is connected, I can hold down the spacebar and ask things like, "Hey Benz, how are you today?"
I am doing great, ready to help with whatever you need.
But instead of just chatting, it can actually trigger functions. So let's say, let's move full speed forward.
I am moving forward with full speed. Speed is set to 100%.
But more than that, it is not just listening for keywords, but it is actually trying to understand my sentence. "Hey Benz, I think you are a bit too fast."
I am reducing my speed to 50%.
So the way it works under the hood is that in the system prompt, I gave a list of functions that it can use and also a set of very strict instructions that it needs to follow. It means it can move forward, it can move backward, it can turn left and right, and it always returns the same structured output with a function if it wants to call a function. For that, I created the function calling prompt API, which is just a TypeScript class on top of the prompt API where you can register new functions. But then again, an AI agent that is just bound to the digital world is quite boring. Also, with the Web Bluetooth API, we do have an API that allows the crossover between the digital and the analog world. So I also created this little car that we can actually control with BenzGPT. Let's connect that. Let's go full speed forward.
I am accelerating back up to 100%.
Let's turn right.
I am turning right by 60 degrees.
Stop.
I am coming to a complete stop.
Now, I do realize that BenzGPT is not an application that actually solves real-world problems in our everyday work life. However, it is precisely projects like this that test the limits of what is possible and also inspire creativity. I mean, with this small application alone, I was able to link so many browser APIs together, and it was just super fun to do so. So that being said, thank you so much for your attention. I hope to hear from you soon. Yeah, well, bye.